Hi, today we're going to see how to create a flip text effect in GIMP. So first I'm going to create a new image, go to File, New. The image width is 1920 and the height is 1080, press OK. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. And now I'm going to leave the black color for this layer here, for the background layer. So make sure the foreground color is white, since I want the text to be white. Select the text tool. And now left click here to create a new text box. And now I'm going to type my text. So here it is. The font I'm using is Montserrat Heavy and the font size is 300. So here are settings. The spacing between letters is 10 pixels. So now I'm going to select another tool here to confirm the text here. And now right click on the text layer, alpha to selection to make selection from the text here. And now create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon here, press OK. And now I'm going to hide the text layer, this one here. Select the gradient tool. So make sure the gradient is FG to BG RGB, foreground to background RGB. The colors I'm going to use is white and black here. And now I'm just going to drag here like this. So here, press enter. And now go to select, none. So that here, as you can see down here, it looks like it's fading away the background here. So now I'm going to rotate this layer. So first, I don't need the text layer. So click on the X icon here to remove it. Select the layer here with the text. And now I'm going to rotate this layer. So go to layer, transform, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. So select the move tool. So I'm going to move it here. And now layer, crop to content first. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer, the text layer here. Click on this icon here. And now select the 3D transform tool. Left click here on the duplicated layer. And now I'm going to change the y-axis here, this one here. Double click on it and then just type 20. Press enter. So here it is. And now click on transform. And now select the move tool. And now while moving this layer, keep the control key down here to move it on the same line here. So here like this. So I'm going to move it here. And now duplicate this layer again. So click on this icon here, the one we did the transformation on it. And now I'm going to do the same thing. Select the 3D transform tool, left click, double click here, the y-axis here, and then type 20, press enter, and then transform. And then select the move tool again, and then I'm just going to move it. And now duplicate it again. Select the 3D transform tool, left click, and then double click on the Y here. Type 20, press enter, transform. Select the move tool again, and now I'm just going to move it again a little bit like this. So here you can still, for example, I'm going to select the first one. I'm going to move it a little bit like this. So now select the top one here, this one we just created, duplicate it again. Select the 3D transform tool, left click, and then double click on the Y here. Type 20, press enter, and then transform. Select the move tool, and then again I'm just going to move it down here like this a little bit. And now I'm going to duplicate it again. So it's up to you how many copies you want to create. So I have duplicated it. So here it is. Select the 3D transform, left click, double click, 20, press enter, transform, and select the move tool, and then move it down. Keep the control key here while moving it down, so like this. So I think I'm going to leave it to 6 copies here. So you can still select the alignment tool, left click here on all the layers, and then you can still align them here vertically like this. So here they are aligned. And now I'm going to merge down all these layers. So click on this icon here until you merge down all the text here. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So click on this icon here. So now it's duplicated. Select the flip tool. Make sure the direction is horizontal. Left click. Select the move tool here. And now I'm just going to move it. Keep the control key down here while moving it. So here. select the alignment tool and drag over both layers, and then let's align them as before here like this. So here it is, and then right click, layer to image size, select the top one, layer to image size. So I think here it's okay here. So select the move tool, select another tool to remove the squares here from the alignment tool. So now I'm going to merge down these layers here. So click on this icon here. So now I'm going to center it. So layer, crop to content, select alignment tool, left click. Then let's align it horizontally and then vertically like this. And then I'm going to merge down both of these layers here. So click on this icon here. So here it is. And now I'm going to sharpen this layer here. So if I press the plus key on my keyboard to zoom in, as you can see, it's kind of blurry. So go to filters, enhance, and here sharpen unsharp mask. So here, as you can see the difference. So let's check the preview. So here's the before and here's the after. So I'm going to leave it here, press OK. And now press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. So here it is. That's how you can create a flip text effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.